Dis stupid. Ek kan nie aan nog suurlemoenwoorde dink nie. Ek trek die foto's nader wat ek geneem het vir ons inskrywingsvorm, bios. Dis cool, maar dis nie eintlik vleiend nie. Ek wens ek het swart hare gehad, of blond. Bruin hare is doodvervelig. Party ouens soos Zayn het net Adilak. Hy lyk selfs okay as sy gesig op 'n plooi trek. Ek vat die pen en skryf nog 'n woord by my lysie. It's stupid. He can't think of more sour words. He pulls the photos closer that he took for the biographies. It's cool, but it's not really like, not everything is fitting with one another. Tian thinks to himself that he wish he had black or blonde hair, because brown hair is like boring. And some guys like Zayn just have all the luck. They look good all the time. Even when he frowns, he looks good. And Tian thinks to himself, he's a siergat. So siergat is someone that's like jealous and sour. Tian, he whips as he skrik. So someone says Tian and he gets a fright. Hi ma, hi mom. Haar gesig voorspel moeilikheid. Ek het nou net 'n telefoonoproep gehad. As my ma haar sinne so in die lug laat hang sonder om hulle klaar te maak, moet jy weet ons moeilikheid. So his mom's face shows when there's trouble, like her face gives it away, and she says she's just received a call. And Tian thinks to himself, if she doesn't complete her sentences, then you know there is trouble. En in my verbeelding kan ek bitter die hele kamer vol sien spat. Dames en here, die popo het pas die fan gestruik. In his brain, he can see how the popo hit the fan and all the seeds, the pitter, are flying around. And he just thinks to himself, the popo has hit the fan, which is referring to them using the garage without asking permission.